This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Gripen in War Thunder. First, familiarize yourself with its incredible thrust-to-weight ratio, which grants superb acceleration and climb performance. Always aim to maintain high energy, as this aircraft excels at energy fighting. Use its advanced radar and helmet-mounted display to quickly acquire targets, giving you a significant advantage in initial engagements. This foundational understanding is key to mastering the Gripen's unique capabilities and dominating the skies. When engaging in air-to-air combat, leverage the Gripen's exceptional turn rate for close-in dogfights. Its powerful air-to-air missiles, such as the AIM-9 Mike or AIM-120 Bravo, are crucial for both short-range and beyond visual range engagements. Always strive to control the fight's pace through effective energy management. Maintaining a speed advantage allows you to dictate terms, making you a formidable opponent in any aerial encounter. The Gripen is also a highly capable multi-role aircraft, excelling in ground attack missions. It can carry a diverse array of precision-guided munitions, allowing you to effectively neutralize various ground targets. Always utilize its advanced targeting pod for pinpoint accuracy when delivering bombs and missiles. Remember to engage from a safe altitude to minimize exposure to enemy anti-air defenses, ensuring mission success and aircraft survival. For advanced Gripen play, experiment with diverse missile loadouts to optimize for specific mission profiles, whether it's air superiority or ground support. Mastering the deployment of flares and chaff is absolutely critical for defending against incoming enemy missiles. Always prioritize maintaining strong situational awareness. Anticipating enemy movements and threats will significantly enhance your survivability and overall combat effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.